guys, today we're gonna read Cooking with the Grinch. So first let me open it.
Okay.
So now we're gonna start. The Grinch goes down to the town. He hears the bells, ding dong, ding dong. He hears the who's, they sing, sing, sing. He taps a door. It's Cindy Lou. She likes to cook. The Grinch does too. He likes to mix. She likes to stir. She cooks with the Grinch. With him, he cooks with her. They make some treats and start to bake. Who will eat the treats they make? Max, oh no. Max, you have to go. The treats are down, don't let them tip. Oh no, the treats, they start to slip. Cindy Lou is fast. The treats do not fall. She saves them, the treats, she saves them all. Merry Christmas, Max. Yum, yum, yum. Yummy. The treats are now in Max's tummy. I hope you enjoyed the story. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.